Good morning, everyone. Tara Argle here. I'm the founder and creator of Trailblazing Communications, and I'm being guided to start a new series to help people understand more about energy. So I'm calling it Energy Speaking, and I'll be talking about all the different ways that working with energy or understanding energy can change your life, make things easier, make your life more accessible to you to be able to make changes. But I'm going to talk about it from as simple of a format as I can for people who are new to energy. And if you're not new to energy, you might learn some things too, because I learn about energy every day and I've been working in it for forever. So to start off, I'd just like to say everything's energy. We're energy. Our bodies are energy. Things in our physical world are energy, thoughts, feelings, emotions, everything is energy, everything. So if that's the case, if you know anything about energy, energy is always in motion. And if it's not, that's not a good thing. Energy needs to be moving to be healthy and strong. So when I talk about energy for health or for making changes in your life, I'm going to talk about how looking at that energy and being able to do something about it and with it, how it'll help you make a difference. So I'm going to try to do these on Mondays. So I'll do Energetically Speaking on Mondays. I'm going to be putting them on my Trailblazing Communications YouTube channel. So you can find it there, but I will also post the link on the Trailblazing Communications Facebook page and wherever else that I feel guided. So if you're interested in learning more about energy, I would be happy to be your tour guide. And just know that I don't know everything. I don't pretend to know everything, but I know a lot because I've been working with energy for a long, long time. And I used energy to take back my life many years ago when my health was not in a good place. My life was not in a good place, and I had lost hope. And so thank goodness I learned about energy from somebody else and became a perpetual student. And so today, as of today, I have created an energy system that's easy to use for you to use so that you have some tools to navigate your energy life system, your body, and your world. So there's many energy tools out there. I'm just going to be speaking about what I do and what I know, which is trailblazing. But I'm sure many of you know of many other energy tools. I've been trained in lots of other energy tools, and that's what brought me to today, to where I'm at with Trailblazing Communications. So I hope you'll find this interesting, and I hope you'll join the journey. But I'd love to have you on board with the Energetically Speaking. So I'll be sharing tips and tricks and things you might not have known about. So I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.